I know you.
On a scale from 1 to 10, like, what would you rate me?
2.
Damn.
10. Cause I like nerdy.
You a 9.
Florida?
Yeah.
What up, G? What up, G? Oh my God! No! No!
Are we on the air?
Shut your bitch ass up!
You too. What do they do? It's your boy LowkeyyNoel. You dig what I'm saying? So I'm back at y'all with another video, and as y'all can see by the title, you know what I'm saying, we coming back with another monkey video. If you guys have been subscribing to my channel ever since, you know, 2019 2020 era, you will know that I've already made this video before. This is going to be a part 2 of it, and today I'm going to be doing a rate me 1 to 10 as a nerd versus a cool guy. It was a nice social experiment, kind of one of the first social experiments I kind of did on my channel, to be honest. And basically where I let people rate me 1 to 10 as a nerd, you know, with the nerd fit, the glasses, you know what I'm saying, nerd persona, and as a cool guy. More or less wearing the same fit, just to see what happens, just to see, you know, how people react, because, you know, people are very judgmental nowadays. And sometimes, you know, people like to judge a book by its cover. And that sense of perception kind of, you know, messes up with things, because, you know, people, you know, you can't always judge a book by its cover, you know what I'm saying? Just because somebody look like a nerd don't mean, you know, that they're not. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying.
I don't give a fuck.
But yeah, I'm coming back at y'all with another video, and today I'm going to be doing a rate me 1 to 10 as a nerd versus a cool guy. We're going to see how people react, you know what I'm saying? With Monkey, you know, there's always something going on with Monkey, like, you know what I'm saying? I don't even intentionally be trying to make these videos funny, but they always be funny. There's always some funny people on this app, you know what I'm saying? If you guys like the Monkey videos, you know what I'm saying, drop the monkey emoji down in the comments below. And, you know, get this video to 30 likes, you know what I'm saying? Get this video to 30 likes, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to keep providing monkey videos. Anyways, you know, we're going to get straight to it. But before we get straight to it, you know what I'm saying? Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Don't be dumb as hell. Click the bell. Turn on notifications so you can get notified every single video. Anyways, we're going to get straight to it. Hey, I got a question.
That's what it looked like you sung. Read me a Bible verse.
What the fuck?
Yep.
On a scale from 1 to 10, like, what would you rate me?
13. What'd I say?
Hey, but I got a question, though. On a scale from 1... Okay. See, they don't respect you when you...
Hi.
Hey, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm good. Hey, I got a question real quick.
Okay.
On a scale from 1 to 10, like, what would you rate me?
I rate people off how they act. I'm not a looks person.
Cap.
Yeah, so based on how I'm acting, like, what would you rate me?
I mean, I don't know your personality. You seem like you're nice.
Mm-hmm.
I like your vibes.
Okay.
You're good looking.
Okay.
Let's go.
So you gonna, you know what I'm saying, number? That's crazy. But she did say I was good. Hey, what's up? How you doing?
So, I'm good.
Hey, I got a question.
Okay.
On a scale from 1 to 10, like, what would you rate me?
3. 2.
Damn. Damn.
Wow. I'm ugly.
The glasses, the glamour is the overall that make you.
Is the glasses?
Yep.
Damn.
Glasses for me.
That's crazy.
You should switch to contacts.
Yeah, I should switch to contacts. Freak.
Oh, my mama, bro. We gonna be stuck with this shit for like a month.
Hey, what's good, bro?
Alright. Oh, I know you.
Where you know me from, bro?
Yo. He thought trying to be like Juvir, bro. No, he's trying to be like Juvir, bro.
Yo, that's crazy.
Yo. Yeah, YouTube, bro. Yeah, YouTube, bro. I'll go sell right now, but just for doing that.
Yeah.
Yeah, YouTube, what's your YouTube, bro? What's your YouTube, bro?
It's LowkeyyNoel with 2 Y's.
Hold on, Low King. What is it?
It's like LOWKEYYNOEL.
NOEL. Alright, bro. Hey, how many subscribers? Yo, that's crazy. that was a free sub right there, bro. He a real one.
Alright.
I'm like, but is that too fair? I'm like, nah.
Bro, God, I thought it was the beer too.
Yeah. It's like, bro, if you had to do that, bro, he would got my dumb ass. Yeah, too fair. Oh my God.
Jeez.
Oh yeah, but you was calling.
That's great. Hey, I appreciate that though.
You welcome, bro. You might get 2 hits out of my stuff too.
Alright, bet.
Yeah, I got you, bro. I got you when I get done.
That's so funny.
Phone, but didn't answer.
Hey, what's good, bro?
You look like zero bounce.
Just like my ex, cuz. Oh, I'm busy. I'm in class.
Niggas on here.
Hey yo,
What's good, bro?
can you tell me if my song is fire or ass? You do straight up, okay?
Alright, I got you, bro.
For real, look, I made this shit. It's the homies on it though, so look, I'm gonna skip the homie, alright? Cause like his shit ain't as raw as mine. You feel me? I'm gonna be real.
Alright.
Yeah, it's RJ, bitch. Let the beat come, let the beat come.
Alright, it's coming.
Shut up, ho. Let the beat come in, let the beat come.
Yeah.
Come in.
Nah, this ain't no rerun. I ain't check the score, you know we won. Always on that line, you just free ones. How you a pussy when you ain't never seen one? Nah, this ain't no rerun. I ain't even check the score, you know we won. Always on that line, you just free ones. How you a pussy when you ain't never seen one?
Just go to my
This shit got me feeling like doing the buzz down, I ain't gonna lie.
You already know that. Like I'm trying to pull up, yeah, I'm trying to hold up. Your bitches is spinning this, I'm kicking shit. I'll pull up when I'm coming, I'ma finish it. You niggas up, thinking I gotta come like a baker, I'ma take his chain. Nah, this ain't no rerun. I ain't even check the score, you know we won. Always on that line, you just free ones. How you a pussy when you ain't never seen one? This ain't no rerun. I ain't even check the score, you know we won. Always on that line, you just free ones. How you a pussy when you ain't never seen one? I ain't mean to get your hoe hurt. Poppin' with these yappy, I don't like to hit it, no dirt.
I said I'm
Yeah.
Come on. Alright, dude.
Hey, what's good? Hey, I got a question real quick. Y'all see what I'm talking about?
Yo,
What's good, bro?
how is it going? Should be here at should be here at like 9 o'clock.
What you mean, cuz?
Oh, trash.
Ooh.
Do you want me to fuck this?
Go ahead, man.
Okay, now you can see me.
Oh my God! No! No!
Yo, I can't. I'm done. It was good, bro.
What's good?
How you doing, man?
I'm doing pretty good, man.
That's pretty good, man.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah, dude.
Yeah.
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 Hell yeah. 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 Oh, Naples. Hey, what's good?
Nothing was good with you.
Chilling. Hey, I got a question. On a scale from 1 to 10, like, what would you rate me?
I don't know.
Okay.
Have you gotten more? What does that mean?
Hmm?
Have you gotten higher, or what does that mean?
I mean, no, it's a straight rate.
Yo.
What's good?
9.
Yeah, I got a question though.
What's up?
On a scale from 1 to 10, like, what would you rate me?
A slight 10.
A slight 10?
Yeah.
Okay. I appreciate that.
You up?
All right, have a nice day.
You too.
We got 1 W. Probably was legit. Hey, I got a question real quick.
What?
I got a question real quick.
What, nerd?
On a scale from 1 to 10, like, what would you rate me?
We make low maintenance bicycles for everyday riders. Once again,
10. Because I like nerds.
That's 2 W's. Hey, we gone. On to the next. We gone. Alright, y'all. As y'all could see, that was rate me 1 to 10 with the nerd. Now I'm gonna do the cool guy persona. In the first video, I had like, you know, a hat, but I'm not gonna do that. I don't wanna really mess up my hair. But you know, I ain't gonna lie, gotta give off, you know, that the sex appeal, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, I'm gonna have my chest out a little bit, show the chin, you know, got the VVS, you know what I'm saying? You know, it's like shit. But yeah, we're gonna do rate me 1 to 10 looking like this, and we're gonna see how these people rate me this time. So, you know, we gonna see how it goes. We're gonna see how it goes. Anyways, let's get straight to it.
What you doing?
Hey, I'm chilling. Hey, I got a question real quick. On a scale from 1 to 10, like, what would you rate me?
A 9.5.
Okay, I appreciate that. Hello?
Bro, I just got friend zoned.
For real?
Yeah, someone out here just friend zoned me.
Damn. Wait, hold on. How you look like though?
Someone's fucking friend zoned me.
Damn. That's crazy.
I know. Why?
I don't know. Hey, but I got a question though.
What's the question?
On a scale from like 1 to 10, like, what would you rate me?
Oh, hello.
What's good?
Bro, this other guy was on here. He has so much money.
Oh, for real?
I had like $10,000. When you want from me, I'm powered so I can land on it. Sorry, I'm singing a song.
Hey, I got a question real quick.
Yeah. Bro, don't ask some weird questions that they be asking, like, can I suck your stuff and all that.
No. This question is simple.
Okay.
On a scale from 1 to 10, like, what would you rate me?
Like 10,000.
Boy, that escalated quickly.
You a solid 6.
That's not where I thought this was going.
What? A 10,000? 10,000 is not in the range of a 10, bro. Oh, but like, is exaggerating, like. See, you don't grow up in the suburbs, so you wouldn't exactly know what a hyperbole be. You're right. I didn't grow up in the suburbs.
Hey, what's up?
Hello?
Hey, what's good?
Where you from?
Florida, what about you?
You said Florida?
Yeah.
No, I'm from Connecticut.
How's that like?
It's cold.
Sheesh. It's hot down here. It be cold like once in a while, like when we get like cold fronts though.
Huh?
No, I said it'd be cold once in a while, like when we get cold fronts.
Yeah. I was just out there.
Oh, for real? When?
On Christmas.
Oh, that's lit.
Yeah.
So like what part were you in?
I was at Kissing Me.
Kiss Me? Oh. You was in the deep end. Hey, but I gotta. No, I said you was deep, like you was far from where I was at.
Yeah.
Hey, but I got a question real quick though.
All right.
On a scale from 1 to 10, like, what would you rate me?
Is this for a YouTube video?
Nah, I just like asking questions like this.
Cap.
I was about to say, I look crazy. But, you would call 9.
Okay, I appreciate that.
Hey,
It was good.
how's your day?
It was good. How about you?
You good?
Why you not showing your face for?
Because I don't want to show my face. People are on here being weird.
Oh, I feel that. Hey, but I got a question real quick though.
What's the question?
On a scale from 1 to 10, like, what would you rate me?
You said what?
On a scale from 1 to 10, what would you rate me?
You a 9.
Alright, I appreciate that.
Yeah. What's up with you?
Yo, I'm chilling.
How's your day going?
It's going good.
How old is he? Huh?
Hey, I got a question real quick.
What's that?
On a scale from 1 to 10, like, what would you rate me?
7. No, let me see. What the fuck? Her big ass right there. A 9.
A 9?
I'll rate you a 10.
Alright, I appreciate that.
Alright, have a good day.
You too.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.
Oh my god. Oh, what's up, cutie?
What the fuck?
The boy. It's just like those. Oh, what up? What's good, fam?
What's good?
Where you from?
Florida.
Florida?
Yeah.
What up, G? What up, G? What up, G?
Yo, y'all boys funny.
I
can't though. I got a mission. Hey, what's up?
Yo.
Hey, how you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. Hey, I got a question real quick.
What's up?
What would you rate me on a scale from 1 to 10?
I was already knowing you was trying to ask that question.
How would you know?
Cause ain't nobody get on here talking about, hey, how you doing? You good. You good 9.5. You good. Yeah.
Alright, I appreciate that.
For sure.
Alright, take it easy.
You too.
Now you're smiling, passing. Pass for long, now you're smiler backing. Cast a smile, now you're smile receiving.
Don't settle for less. They try to spot me up, hand me another cup, but I don't give a fuck. I know bands run it up.